Hello everybody, part number 2. How to procedurally upload video on YouTube so that you can get more views and more subscribers. Okay, let's start. Your channel is ready for uploading video. Now I will show you how to upload videos in your channel that you can get more views and at the same time you can get more subscribers. Click this icon for uploading. Then click upload video. Write the title of the video here. Here in description, describe your video. Down here, tag. You can write tag here. Then click save. Now the video is uploading. Okay, now uploading is complete. Then what to do next? Scroll the mouse down. You can see here enhancement, audio, cat, end screen and subtitle. Okay, firstly I click card. In cards, you can add 5 videos. You can choose any of your videos to add. But if this is your first video, then you can do it later. Your 5 videos is in here in icon. Okay, next we're going to end screen. Click end screen. Here you can add 4 videos, but I suggest you to add only 3 videos and the subscribe button. Okay, click add element. You can add any videos. But if this is your first video, then you can do it later, no problem. Okay, click save. Now we go for thumbnail. As we know that thumbnail is very important for YouTube videos. Good and attractive thumbnail always encourage the viewers to click and watch your video. So try to create a colorful and beautiful thumbnail. Okay, this is my thumbnail. Click select. And click save. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like, click like. If you don't like, then you can click dislike.